Welcome to Shazia's Delicacy. Healthy cooking and easy recipes. Today we are going to cook a simple but very healthy and tasty rice cucumber cake. It's basically a Goan sweet dish. Quickly, let's see the ingredients. I have taken chopped dry fruits, rice flour, grated cucumber, milk, ghee, grated jaggery, powdered cardamoms, freshly grated coconut and baking powder. Today my little one helped me in mixing the ingredients. So in a bowl, take rice flour, add up all the ingredients one by one. First goes the rice flour, then the grated cucumber, then add the grated jaggery, baking powder. Baking powder is to make the cake quite fluffy. Then add the ghee. Ghee plays a very important role in this cake. Grated coconut. Then powdered cardamom. Chopped dry fruits of your choice. You can add kishmish as well. Pour the milk slowly and only as it is required. Do not pour it completely. Mix everything with a spoon. Let the jaggery dissolve in the mixture completely. Initially the mixture looks little thick, but as the jaggery dissolves with the milk and all the ingredients, it becomes thin. As you can see, after mixing everything for almost 5 minutes, the batter is ready and smooth for steaming. I have taken idli cooker. You can take any steamer at home. Apply butter or ghee inside the vessel in which you are going to pour the batter. Pour the batter in the vessel. Spread it evenly. Place the vessel inside the steamer and close the lid. Allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Almost 25 minutes are over and I am just checking with the knife if the cake is done. Since the knife was clean, the cake is done. Allow it to come to normal temperature. Demold the cake in a plate and cut it into pieces. The rice cucumber cake looks like burfi and it's really delicious.